In this video, we are going to see how we can cancel our ChatGPT Plus or Go subscription. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First of all, just log in with your ID that is using any kind of paid subscription, whether it's a Go version, Plus, or whatever. Once you're in the main interface, you go to the bottom left-hand corner and you see the package or plan right here at the top. It says Go, but we want to cancel that. So what we do is we head over to the settings, and from here we choose billing. Now once we are in the billing, at the extreme bottom you will see this cancel plan option. We click on cancel, and here it says your Go subscription will be cancelled but remain active until the end of the billing period. That means you have already paid for the subscription until 25th of June. So even if you cancel, it will continue till that time period. So we want to click on cancel subscription, and now we can see at the top that it says your subscription has been cancelled. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.